What's up people, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to make your TikTok video speed up or down. So let's begin. So first of all you need to open your TikTok. So guys, now you can see this is my profile, and if you want to make your TikTok video speed up or speed down, what should you do? First click on the plus icon at the bottom middle. Now you can take a video, and after that there have a option you can see, and this is the right side 0.5x, that means your speed down, and 0.3, that means your speed more down, and now on x, that's perfect, and 2x, that means 2, that means your speed is up, and 3x, that means your speed more up. So if you just go on, there have another option. I just take 3x speed up, and now I take a video. So check it, there you can see your video speed is up. Now you can upload it, then post it. So wait for upload. You can see video is uploaded. There you can see my video is speed up. So guys, in this way you can make your TikTok video speed up or down. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.